welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a bonus video. So normally I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays, but I wanted to film this extra video this week because I'm just so excited for it. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing an unboxing video of my newest camera that is being added to my collection. If you are new here, my channel mainly focuses on beauty and lifestyle videos. So this is actually my first tech unboxing video that I am doing, so please don't come for me if I forget some particular information. But if you guys have any questions throughout the video, leave them in the comments below. Before I start unboxing this video, I just kind of wanted to give a little bit of background information on why I purchased this camera. So typically for my videos on my channel, I will use my DSLR camera. If you guys want any additional information on the equipment that I film with, I'm no expert, but I can definitely share that with you guys in a future video. However, I do upload about a vlog a month, and I really just like having a compact camera to be able to bring around with me to film my, life. Today we are going to be unboxing the ever so famous Canon G7X Mark II. So let's get into the unboxing, and then I'll kind of talk a little bit more because I know the main reason why you guys are here is to see the unboxing. So here it is. I purchased mine from B&H Photo only because I feel like right now everybody is vlogging and YouTubing and it's sold out everywhere. Okay, I didn't look everywhere, but Best Buy was sold out, Canon's website was sold out, Amazon had some, but they weren't from Canon, and when I was reading the reviews, a lot of people said that the cameras come from a different country, so it just wasn't like what you would get if you were to purchase it from Best Buy or another reputable site. And so the only site that I found it available on right now was BH Photo. So I'll put the link down below. The only one they had in stock was the bundle that I got, and I think a couple other bundles, but if you just wanted the camera itself, it's still sold out. So I just opted to get the bundle because I wanted it now and I'm impatient. So let's open it. Ah! Nail. There's the bubble wrap. Ooh! The receipt. More bubble wrap. Dun da da da! Like I said, I got these sets, so let me just show you what came in the set real quick. It came with this camera pouch, weather resistant, padded, zipper. Dear customer, please find more merch in this bag. Why, thank you. It came with a SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB card. It also came with this Optics Care and Cleaning Kit, lens tissue blower, cleaning fluid, a bag, and a squeegee. Cute. Comes with more stuff. We have an extra battery, which is great to have extra batteries. A 32GB SanDisk Ultra card. It comes with this cute tripod, so this also makes it easier to hold if you're vlogging and whatnot, and then also has a place to sit when you put it down. That's all the goodies it came with, and now it's upside down. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Warranty card, a register manual, the charging block, a little strap, and then the battery. Just so you guys can see. How beautiful. She's cute. She has a little bit of weight to her. And then she also has the flip up camera as well. I wonder if the battery comes a little bit charged. Please be charged. Please be charged. She's charged. Right now it is July 25th, 2020, and it is 5:50. Don't look at my mess. So let's put in one of these memory cards so we can test it out. Hello. This seems pretty clear. Wow, I look so sweaty on closer up. The battery is flashing, so yeah, the battery isn't charged, so I'm gonna go have to charge it, but I just wanted to test out the camera. So this is natural lighting. I'm just standing in front of my window and it seems really clear and I love it. It seems much clearer than my Sony 5100, so really nice. I'm loving it so far. And here's a test outside. So the camera I bought actually for like when I was vlogging with, not vlogging, but I would do like vacation vlogs with my boyfriend on a different channel. I'll put our YouTube channel down below. I only post like when we go on vacation and we're not going on vacation right now. I think I want to do a video, a comparison video of like vlog cameras because I purchased this one, which is the Sony A5100, and I wish I had done more research on this camera. The reason why I liked it was because it was small, compact. This one you can actually change out the lens. So I do have another lens for that as well. And then oh, it's so dirty. The screen flips up. So I wish I had done more research. I don't really like this camera. And my boyfriend, even like when he watches my vlogs over, he's like, your quality is not the greatest. Typically what I use my vlogging camera for is I don't do any special settings. I'll probably look up any settings that people recommend for the Canon G7X, but I also wanted to kind of dive into the reason why I purchased this camera. Was the main reason, other than the quality being a little bit better, was the Sony 5100. Once you hit filming for 20 minutes straight, it automatically shuts off and it says that it's like overheating and it needs to cool down before you can use it again. I mean, I don't typically film long videos with that, but if I wanted to do like a time lapse or just if I was doing a lot of filming, I would have to turn it off, wait like 5 to 10 minutes before it cools down, and then I could start filming again. So I just wanted something that simple for me to use, that I could just use straight through without having to worry about it turning off. I'm really excited to use this camera. This is the camera that most vloggers use. I know there's some other new cameras and some other cameras that people use, but for the most part, from the YouTubers that I watch, their vlogs come from Canon G7X and the quality is really nice. So like I said, if you guys want to see a comparison video of the Canon G7X and the Sony A5100, I can get into a little bit more detail with that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle videos. I will have another unboxing coming up in probably mid-August, whenever it decides to get here, because shipping is taking forever. Comment down below what you guys think that is. It's another piece of equipment that I purchased to kind of help with my YouTube channel. So if you guys have any guesses, leave them in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of my future uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I'll put the YouTube, BH, I was gonna say BH Cosmetics. I
can't really run. Look. Hella bleeding.
Oh my god. But so yeah. I hope this video. Clay.
Come here, Clay. Let's go.
Go. I'll be out in a second. Go. So much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And then it can't.